up? It's Pete at Rhino Adventure Gear, and today we're talking about this 2024 Toyota 4Runner. It's a TRD off-road, and it's got like less than 200 miles on it. We're super psyched about this build, so I'm gonna walk you through what we've done. Up top, we have the iKamper Skycamp DLX. The DLX trim has USB lighting, a cork floor, and an ultra plush air mattress. It's really comfortable. So the iKamper is sitting on top of a Sherpa Crestone rack. And then down below, we have Method 305 MV titanium wheels. Those are wrapped with Falcon AT4Ws and a 33-inch tire. And then we have Old Man Emu MT64 suspension. It's a 2.5-inch lift, and we're using SPC upper control arms as well. Off to the side here, we have a Kammok 7-foot pull-out awning. It's a new product for us, and we're really stoked about it because it's clever and it works super fast. We put on these Baja Designs fog lights with yellow lenses. They're SAE, which means that they're street legal for all conditions, and they're super bright. All right, thanks for spending some time with me today. If you want to talk about your build, come visit us at our San Diego or San Francisco showrooms, or visit us at rhinoadventuregear.com. At Rhino Adventure Gear, we believe the outside is better. We'll see you out there.